or welcome back to the video. Hope y'all have been having a great week, and now you're gonna have an even better week because I uploaded. Shout out to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm gonna be installing a V-part wig from Unice Hair. I'm so excited because I would watch these tutorials and now I'm making one. That's what I'm talking about, elevation. Guys, we're just going from glory to glory to glory, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna open her up and get to this installation process. Do you see this? Absolutely. A+ for packaging. Ooh, this is pretty. The gift box also comes with some goodies. Stop. I have a cheetah print headband, lashes. Whoa. It's a brush. Oh my gosh. I got a wig cap. I also got a hair clip. Okay, a portable mirror. You guys look good today. And
I'm finding it. It takes you that long to find it? It does.
You need to stop right now. Do you know what this is? This is the robe. The official robe. I'm about to discard in front of all of the internet just to put this on. Do you know what this is? This is my graduation ceremony. This is what the girls be wearing when they do their installs. Oh. Alright guys, video's over. Y'all can go home. I'm about to cry. No, I'm wearing this during the entire rest of the video. Now, it's a bit of a mess here, but look at me. I'm like one of those official hair YouTube girlies. Okay. Again, this is a V-part wig, so that means that you will have leave out. Boy, it already comes with an adjustable strap. Okay, hold on, because this might be my favorite installation. I haven't even done anything yet, but so this is their beginner-friendly V-part kinky curly glueless wig. It's definitely perfect for me as a beginner. Oh my gosh, I love how small the curls are because this is about to mimic my actual hair texture perfectly, okay? For all you type 4 hair curly girls out there, this the one. This finna be the one. If you have a looser texture, I'm sure Unice has textures for all the girls out there. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a flat twist it because one, it's faster, and two, I'm in my lazy girl era. I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair. This messy bun is from a 1 or 2 day old twist out. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I always work on pre-stretched hair. Easier to manipulate, style, and manage when you do work with it on stretched hair. So I would recommend that. You can do whatever you want to do though. I'm not focusing so much on the flat twisting. As long as that leave out is matching and looking good, that's all that I care about, okay? Honestly, what I've learned from the last time I had any type of leave out with like clip-ins or anything is you want to give yourself more to work with than you think. Okay, so I've sectioned off what kind of looks like a U shape on the top of my head, but I also want to take a teeny bit of my perimeter around my hairline as well because I like to be able to tuck my hair behind my ears like a little Debbie Ryan. I just like the look of natural edges, and I don't want to have to feel like I have to have the hair laying this way across my face, otherwise you'll see like the web. I already did the other side where I braided it, but I was just trying to get out the way. And I'm hoping it's gonna make it easier to lay flat as opposed to trying to pin them all individually. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of cute. So here's a close-up of my not great flat twist. So I'm gonna use Talia Waheed Curl Cream for the leave-in portion on my leave out, and then I'm gonna pair it with Eco Styler gel. You can also use the black castor oil one because I heard that these two mesh well together because, as you know, Eco Styler don't play nice with nobody, but these are one of the few products that it does go well with, that doesn't leave any white flakes or residue. So right here, we about to find out. I'm gonna fill up my spray bottle so that I can refresh this wig and brush through it with my fingers a little bit, separate the curls so they're not too perfect and uniform because my hair doesn't look too perfect and uniform and defined. So I have it pinned. The wig comes with 3 of these combs and 4 of these clips. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take out these side twists. Okay, yeah, I'm glad I added leave out on the sides. Look at this curl pattern. Does that not look like it belonged to me?
Bless me with a look when you pass me. Know the same look when we get nasty. Don't think you wanna put nothing past me. Ain't seen you since you came over last week. You f***ing with my mental lastly. You on mature, don't you ain't know that I was pulling up. It's cause you get around them niggas and act like you want to I see you out my way. Nobody knows what we do. Nobody knows, nobody knows, nobody knows. When you out after I see you out my way. Nobody knows what we do. Nobody knows, nobody knows, nobody knows.
Put a little bit of mousse again on the curls. So these are my results. I think this hair is absolutely beautiful. It matches my natural texture so well. The only thing that I have a small complaint about is it is not the same color as my hair. It's not a huge difference, but you can definitely tell that this hair is deep brown and my hair is just jet black. Personally, I feel like you can tell where my hair is and where the wig is. I don't know if it's showing up like that on camera. If it's not, great, amazing, because then you can't see it and you're perceiving it as like, girl, this is perfect, this is bomb. But in this fluorescent lighting, and I'm sure also in natural lighting, that you can see it, because I'm looking in the mirror and I can tell. And maybe it's because I'm close up, but I think that you can see it. I don't know. You guys let me know if you can tell, if you can see it. That's not a big deal because I can just go in and dye the hair jet black, which honestly I'll probably end up doing because I really do like this hair. If you would like to purchase this hair, make sure that you check the description box for all the links to Unice Hair and get you this beautiful kinky curly unit. But yeah, I love that it just looks so natural to my own hair. This is like perfect length. Also, I feel like I was able to successfully cover the V part really well. So I also feel like this is a great wig for protective styling. You know, just adding a little bit more versatility to the way you style your hair. Like this is mad cute. So this is how the hair looks in all of her glory. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a blessed week ahead of you, and thank you so much for all of your support. It really means a lot to me. Bye guys.